Welcome to TOS Hub Hardware Review. Honor Company announced its smartphones on 30th October 2024. In this video, we will review the Honor Magic 7 Pro hardware specifications. Important announcement. This is non-paid, non-sponsored video review based on no hype and no gimmick. We will try our best to present with you difficult technical information into simple calculated results based on official information. For non-available official specifications, we have highlighted in remarks. Analysis criteria. For in-depth hardware specification analysis, smartphone features are divided into 10 main categories and over 60 subcategories. The rank of each hardware specification will be calculated against already available smartphones in the market. Ultimately, we will know about the class of smartphones like low-end, mid-end, high-end, flagship, or premium. Let's proceed to first category, about design factors and build materials. Honor Magic 7 Pro design and build material hardware rank bases on 7 parameters. It includes weight, dimensional volume, cosmetic colors, ingress protection level, front glass material, middle frame material, and back cover material. By comparing the design and build material specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 49% scale. Second category is display. Honor Magic 7 Pro display hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes form factor, technology type, size, resolution, refresh rate, peak brightness, screen-to-body ratio, number of colors, pixel density and other display features. By comparing the display specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 70% scale. Proceeding to third category, which is about camera. Honor Magic 7 Pro camera's hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes wide camera, telephoto camera, ultra-wide camera, macro or depth camera, and front camera. By comparing the camera specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 64% scale. Fourth category is about chipset. Honor Magic 7 Pro chipset hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes CPU high, mid, and low clocks, CPU performance cores and efficiency cores, CPU ARM architectures, and GPU clock. By comparing the chipset specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 89% scale. Next is fifth category, about RAM and storage memories. Honor Magic 7 Pro RAM and storage hardware rank bases on 2 parameters. It includes processing memory capacity and generation, and storage memory capacity and generation. By comparing the RAM and storage specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 82% scale. Proceeding to sixth category, which is about connectivity. Honor Magic 7 Pro connectivity hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes cellular network, satellite system, navigation system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, NFC and USB port. By comparing the connectivity specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 79% scale. Seventh category is about sensors. Honor Magic 7 Pro sensors hardware rank bases on multiple sensors. It includes an accelerometer, ALS, compass, face recognition 3D sensor, ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, flicker sensor, gyroscope, laser sensor and proximity sensor. By comparing the sensor specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 90% scale. Now we are moving to 8th category, about battery and charging. Honor Magic 7 Pro battery and charging hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes battery type, battery capacity, wired charging power, wireless charging power, reverse charging power and charging adapter. By comparing the battery and charging specifications with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 74% scale. Ninth category is about multimedia. Honor Magic 7 Pro multimedia hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes photo, video, music, gaming, and other multimedia features. By comparing the multimedia specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 46% scale. Let's proceed to 10th category, about operating system and user interface. Honor Magic 7 Pro OS and UI rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes the operating system, OS UI version, mobile service framework, future major updates and security updates. By comparing the OS UI specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 76% scale. Limitation. Some features are not available in the Honor Magic 7 Pro, include as no eSIM, no barometer, no 3.5mm audio jack, no 8K video recording. All categories average rank. By combining all categories, the average score is 72%, which means the Honor Magic 7 Pro hardware specification value stands at level 72 out of 100. Hardware rank comparisons. Let's do a quick comparison of Honor Magic 7 Pro hardware rank with other devices from Honor brands. As we have analyzed few devices from Honor brands, the Honor Magic 7 Pro hardware score 72 is highest among Honor brands devices. On the other hand, if we compare the Honor Magic 7 Pro device hardware rank score with other brands devices, the graph shows that the Honor Magic 7 Pro rank is on the upper side among other brands devices. Final conclusion. According to the smartphone class table, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is the flagship smartphone device. Similar level of hardware ranked devices. Like Honor Magic 7 Pro, there are two more devices have the same hardware rank score. Those devices are Vivo X200 Pro and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. An approximate price comparison is also given in this table. Recommended user habit and style. Like other flagship smartphones, Honor Magic 7 Pro can also perform most of the high-end advanced smartphone tasks like high graphic gaming, high graphic video recording, video streaming, and other common smartphone tasks. As smartphone users have different usage habits and different usage styles. So based on the hardware specification analysis, this smartphone is mostly recommended with the best performance for all type of users with all usage style. Other videos recommendation. In the past few months, we have analyzed multiple devices hardware specifications with the score ranks from 37 to 78. If you want to watch videos of other devices hardware analysis, check the video links in the description section. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Your feedback is important to us. About this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.